my local TNT tent. You guys should come check it out. So we have like Mega Snaps for $5. That's a good deal. We have Poppets, $7, $9 for that, $12 for bigger stuff. Yes. Okay. So we have Dagyum. It's a really good cake. I shot for it. It's $20. That's a really good deal. $78 for this at 46 shots. Senator Ariel XL. This is one of my favorite zipper cakes. It's $150, but I know it might seem expensive, but it's actually a really good deal. And then we have American Dogfight. We have Wowza, good one. This one, Last Dance, $150. Destroyer, really good one. The assortments are pretty good. For Pink on Ice, $130. Red Devil for $65. Good price. $100 for Freedom's Calling. 24 shots, really good deal in my opinion. We have Missile War for $140. 9 shots, it's a NOAB. And then over here to the 200 grams, 2 for $35, good deal. My opinion. We have $15 for that. I don't know. Okay, so we have $30 cakes. That one's a good deal. He's got some good shots. $12 for that. What I really wanted to do was come over here so you get a NOAB for $75. I really like this one. It's a really good one. And then the main reason I came over here is to get you can pick out 3 500 gram cakes for only $140. So that's my really good. This is my shout out on my local TNT fireworks tent.